You like it better when you have this kickstand down, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you see that dude on the Harley right there? Weird. This guy thinks he's fast. Hella cute! Oh, shit! Damn! Thanks, bro. Let's see, any black slime here? What the f? They're cutting up there for you. Gonna let go of my tanker? Holding on to that thing for dear life. That's gonna be a pretty sick picture. Huh? Oh, it's a 750. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, we came to this one. It's like our spot now. That's quite a spot. Because if we come around this and somebody's turning and they can't see us right now, we're basically chirped. That would have been sketch. Relax, baby. So I'm parking. Okay. Little sack tip. I always park my bike sideways when I'm in spots so people can see them easier. And I keep it a little closer to the end. Go ahead. You like it better when you have this kickstand down, yeah?
Yeah.
Then I would have won and done. Alright, here we go. Come on. You see that dude on the Harley right there? Here, hold on. This guy thinks he's fast. That was cute, buddy. Hella cute! And then adjust now, because we're getting on the freeway. This dude behind me's got one light. I can't even see this guy behind me. I almost turned right there. I couldn't just slow down right there after we just did 130 miles an hour. That's how you get pulled over. I don't even like going slow right now until we got off, but we're close enough. We'll go over here to the little tunnel. All right. Damn. Thanks, bro. Let's see, any bikes around here? Any bike? Nope, we're good. Nah, they're bright, so I don't wanna, you know what I mean. You felt that? You felt right on there. What the What the hell was that? I was like 3 bikes high. You ready? Or you want to ride through Old Sac? All that bumpy as hell. Shit. Yeah. Oh, Can-Ams. A Can-Am. That's why I can't stand coming over here because of this. We're about to get a pick with the jigs. You ready to hop off? No. Nope. They were cutting up there for you. Gonna let go of my tanker? Holding on to that thing for dear life. Yeah, that's gonna be a pretty sick picture. Where? On the boat? It's nice out. It's like 78, 80. Hey. You ready? You ready? Huh? Oh, it's a 750. Yeah. He asked if it was a 600 or a 750. Good thing that was just a pick. You good? I'm ready, I'm ready. Y'all have a good night. I've never revved my bike that high. Huh? Oh yeah, I know. The fresh air in your hands. I think it feels